Ate, advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday to myself. Sailor, can you say happy birthday to me?
Few minutes na lang. Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, mami.
Oh,
Happy birthday sa ako, mami.
happy birthday, my love. Okay, okay. Yung isa
I'm
nagmama
going
mo.
to kiss.
Uy, no. Good morning! Happy birthday, Ate Yanna! Ate Yanna! Shh. Oh, shoes! Say happy birthday, Ate! Say happy birthday, Ate! Ah.
Tanan.
But it's raining. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. Amen. Okay, let's eat together. Ate Yanna, for you. Put it on your chair. Kiuno dyan niya yung best friend.
You're welcome, Yanna.
You. Ate, this table, ate, you give to them. Sorry, look. Smile! Smile! Balik ka kay school ni ate. Wow! Oh, cutie! Waki! Waki! Alright, Waki! Closer! Waki! Big smile! Happy birthday! You can remove your mask now. Hi! Hello! 6!
Amalit sindahan mo cake pero
Nay, candle. Kiss tita!
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old.
Also,
Bagyan naman ko daw patol.
I think it's a toy. Or not.
Toys? Napagani kasi Woody.
We already have. Yeah, this is needle.
Kapag nag-cake ka, muna na yung milk? Muna
Yeah,
yung milk
not
mo?
funny.
Wow! Yes, sir. What's that there?
1, 2, 3.
Wow! What's that? Wow! Oh! Diyan naka-toys ko eh. Nag-aalaw eh. It's a stamp bed. Stamp. Ano daw bed? Oh!
Thank you.
Wow! Ayos. Panita nyo, kusuga.
Hi. Don't be shy. What is that? What is that? Wow, it's so cute.
Lollipop.
Lollipops.
And that's not all.
That's not all.
Wow, gummy.
Gummies.
I know.
What will you say?
You know, wait lang, wait lang. Hungry na ikaw?
Yummy lang. So yummy. Ang lang. Moya kay manok po diyan ko B-roll.
Ano pa din natin?
Familiar. Kita sa ganito fish. Ay nga chicken. Naman ako. Ayun, ibalik birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yanna. Happy birthday, Yanna. Wish.
Blue.
Blue.
Okay. What babe? Can you wing?
Kaya ng dole ng kita.
Filter na po.
Mama na din.
Like this?
Balay.
Wala ko pa balo. Naaga ko. Si water side. Mama, ito pa din. Naman. Ito pa balo. Eight hours.
Can you do it with 2 eyes?
Dali na lang aircon.
Yan na pag i-blue. Wish.
I wish for money. Good health. Amen.
Yay! Happy birthday, Ate Yanna!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you! That's Ninang Kem's gift. Gina-open na. Ninang Kem.
Wow.
Timuha na, te. Kita ka na sa dito. I-bring na to. Dili na pa man na. Diri mo. Sound na siya. Tanggalan ng kuan. Tanggalan eh. Pull na. Pull that one. Oh! Careful. And then, sige daw. Hala!
Ha?
Ano daw? Walrus?
Stop.
You like it? Tanawa sa ba? Oh? Cutie pie. You like it?
I found something.
Which one?
This.
Pakita daw sa camera. Harry Potter!
For what? What kind of Harry Potter?
They're all magical mixtures.
It's a toy?
Yes, it's a toy.
Can I open it?
Oh, later. Napate. Napag-gift si Ninang. That's for you. Basa ha.
Yanna Riley from
Ninang Cam. That's a letter. Open it.
Oy, ma.
Open it.
Dili lang kayo, ma.
Candy. $100 only.
$100. It's dollars, ate. US dollars. Next. Napani diri. Napani. Napa letter? Wala. Wala di ay. Ay, dara oh. Wait lang. Sige.
Dear Yanna, advance happy birthday. And then Sam is always praying for you. Heart. May you continue to be a good daughter and loving.
Loving. Bido.
Big sister to Zyler. I love you. Ken. Smiley face. Make a wish.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You like it, ate?
Ma-vibration, no?
Yes. Man, it's vibrating.